Sigrid the hero. One day, there was a new engine arrived at Archdale. Bert was there. You're blue just like me. You're blue just like me. You must be a visitor. Hey, stop copying me. Stop it. She soon was loaded on the track, and she was sent to work in the quarry. Another diesel. Don't listen to Mike, said Rex. He is just jealous. I am not. I'm going to Farquhar Road today. Stop! Sorry, Mike. Grr. Oh, come on. We're working on an expansion. You'll have to wait. I don't have time for this. Oh, what's wrong with you? Wait, Mike, now we have to go back. There's rocks on the track. Oh, dear. Wait, what's that? Oh, well. Wow, I can't stop. Whoa! What are you doing, Blue Diesel? Wait, what is your name? I don't have a name. You know you're gonna crash. Engines must break. The line's unfinished. Ah! Mike, promise me. You'll never whoop. Blue Diesel! Oh, my phone. It's okay. Mike. You're like... I like diesels. What did he say? Did he really just say that? What? News soon spread about Mike. He likes diesels.
He was very rustic. Hello, my name's Albert. I used to work on the Minnesota Railway.
So Mike crashed himself.
What were you doing there?
Lister too. The rescue engine was gonna help him. He said, secrets found. Just fix the buffers.
Never mind, he's telling us. When all of a sudden the air raids went off.
Fix
My
the
crew
buffers.
clear, but they still left my scheme on and accidentally turned on the reverser. Left in the mines. The engines felt sympathy for Albert.
I know. You guys can do it alone, said Raymond. Frank, what are you doing here? I'm here to help. They soon got the Blue Diesel back on. Mom of the kid who turned on Mike came. I'm so sorry, she said. Say, how would you like my name? My name's Sigrid. It means someone beautiful. I like that. Hooray for taking the bonus down. Mike was soon put back on the track. What? Oh. going on?
That is a good idea.
Mike just kissed Sigrid.
Cowcatchers.
He just kissed me. No, sorry.
I know I complained
Okay.
about it back in the 50s.
How would you like to pull a passenger train? I love to.
Doing it for Toby.
The line was soon fixed, and everything's back in order. Until you'll never believe who's back.
So, how do you feel?
But that's a story
Silly.
for another day.